Move-in ready. 100% complete. Beautiful new construction home with 4 bedrooms and 3 full bathrooms located in Conyers. Home features brick front and fiber cement exterior siding for maintenance-free living. Bedroom and full bath on main level. Kitchen includes maple cabinets, crown molding, granite countertops, and recessed lighting. Tile bath have marble countertops. Master bath has separate shower and double vanity. Brushed nickel lighting and plumbing fixtures throughout the home. Attached to CARRIAGE garage with carriage-style doors and garage door openers. Bay window on front of house. Guest bedroom on main level.